The second floor in this video represents a typical installation with and without OSB with vinyl cladding. Build second floor platform. Build second floor wall frame. Staple a layer of Owens Corning 3.5-inch foam sealer compressible ceiling gasket around all window and door openings and along perimeter of second floor top plate. For a 9-foot application, install 4x9-foot foamular code board insulating sheathing boards vertically over wall framing and attach to framing using appropriate nails with washers. Tape all joints using Owens Corning joint sealer tape approved for use over foamular code board XPS foam sheathing. Taping the shipped lap joints is optional, but will improve the overall airtightness performance. Optional. Add wood strapping to attach vinyl cladding. Leave adequate space in the strapping between the first and second floors to allow the taping of the horizontal foam joint. Lift wall into place. Nail the horizontal joint in the foam board. Tape horizontal joint and corners using joint sealer tape. Insert the missing strips of wood strapping between the two vertical pieces along the header. When using OSB as an intermediate sheathing layer, install compressible ceiling gasket around all window and door openings and along perimeter of second floor top plate. Install OSB and then install a second layer of compressible ceiling gasket around all window and door openings and along perimeter of second floor top plate over OSB. Install code board insulation. Tape all joints. Add optional wood strapping as per the 9-foot application. For an 8-foot wall application, install compressible ceiling gasket around all window and door openings and along perimeter of second floor top plate. Install 4x8-foot foamular code board insulating sheathing. Tape all joints. Install foam header insert and nail the horizontal joints in the foam board. Tape all joints and corners using joint sealer tape. If wood strapping is used, install remaining strips of vertical wood strapping over taped areas and corners. Attach vinyl cladding to wood strapping, or directly through foam into the stud or the OSB, if optional wood strapping is not used. Install EcoTouch pink fiberglass batt insulation and vapor barrier on the inside of the wall assembly.